Here we have the Toshiba 1970s receiver. Looks like we're back in business, Mr. Vargas.
I'm getting hungry.
Okay.
I feel like crying.
Everything satisfactory, Mr. Vargas, with the repair of the Toshiba?
Oh, yeah.
So why did you bring it in?
It had two outputs. I don't know if it was the A or the B side of it that was completely dead, and the buttons were making scratch. They were scratchy.
Okay.
But I had that thing for a very long time, and
Yes, sir.
I have kept it. I don't want nobody touching it. You know what I mean? And I've been looking for a while, like over 2 years, for somebody to repair it. I used to live in Indiana, and I moved down here, and I started looking around. I said, well, there's got to be somebody. And I think there's a guy that deals with you guys based on parts where I live, and then he recommended me you guys.
Okay. Everything satisfactory, sir? Anything you can say about Bammel TV, about your experience with our company?
What can I say, man? You guys are great, man. It's just everything the way I wanted it.
Great. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
I'm very
Vargas.
happy.
All right. Super.